Well, hello everybody. What you see on the screen here is a footprint for a 4-pole double throw relay I'm wanting to model. I've got a bucket full of these things and I'd like to be able to use them on a printed circuit board. So I've decided to make a component out of them, and I've got this far with the footprint, which is great. Now I'm wanting to make the symbol, the schematic symbol or circuit symbol for it. So apparently we need to produce a canvas. We'll go to File, New, up here, Symbol. Now then, I've had a look in EELib, and down near the bottom is this item here. Now this is a changeover switch, I think. Certainly not a relay, there's no coil, no energizing coil. Although I don't know what these things are here. They may be coils, contacts, but there's no numbers on them. Anyway, the first problem I encountered was, how do I get this onto the canvas in order to modify it? I can make the enclosure larger and put another 3 of these contacts in and renumber them. Well, I tried selecting it, going over there, no, that didn't work. I tried selecting it and dragging, that didn't work. We've got here, cannot drag the part in the canvas. Please click the part and move the cursor to the canvas, then right click to place. Well, I tried that, that was the first thing I tried, it didn't work. Anyway, after giving up and contacting Easy EDA, I was told simply to double click it. There you are, double click. Now, why wasn't this in the user manual? I asked myself. Anyway, good on them. And scroll wheel, and I can manipulate it. I can move that. I can do a Control Z, get that back. Now then, if I click it and get the dots, I can, oh, it still moves. Just want to move this edge here. Move, oh, no, it moves that point, and try this one. Well, alright, I'll move that up here. Right, and then that one. Okay. So far so good. Now then, I want another 3 of these sets of contacts, so let me think now, what can we encompass them, drag and capture them all. Then I'm going to do a Control C and a Control V. There we are, look, got another one. So I can put another one there, another Control V, another one there, Control V, another one there. Great. There's my 4-pole double throw set of relay contacts. All I need now is something for the coil. Now, I wonder if I can plunder something from here to make a coil. Now then, the power supply coil. I'm going to double click that. Control A, right, good. Control C for capture. Then go back up here and get back to this. Now Control V. Ah, yes, look. And would you believe it fits perfectly? So that's the coil. I've clicked it in there. Right. Now then. This next part took me a bit of figuring out, I can tell you. And it's these pins here. Now, that is the pin, this little piece here, for the coil, each side, similar to these pins. But it turns out that you can drag them out, but you can't extend the length with the cursor. But you can put them out there and change the length over here, and I worked out by trial and error that 18 is the right length. There you are, 18. And again, change that from 3 to 18. Right. Now, there is a pin number 2, which no doubt we'll have to change, but they're not shown. Now, on the actual relay, it's pin 13 and 14. So we'll select this one first as 13 and change that to 13. Still not showing. Display name, display number. We'll say yes to that one, and there we are. Right, and here, this one is 14. And we'll say yes again to there. Now these are definitely the different size from those. So what size should they be? Well, we'll highlight one of these, 8, and is there a size for the font size there? 5.5. So we'll select that, 14, 7 point. We'll select 5.5. Can we move that to yes? It's a bit of a jump about. We'll leave it there. 13, 5.5. So it looks better. Snap size 5. Tell you what, let's see if we can change any snap sizes, any. Can't change the snap size in there. We've got snap size 5 here. We'll change that to 1 and see what happens. Ah, yes. Perfect. Now you see, this is black and these are brown. I'll go to there. Pin color. Name color. All zeros. And we'll go back to there. Name color. Oh, we can choose it. Ooh, where's the black? Somewhere there, I think. Oh, wait. That's a number. Oh, dear. Oh, number and name color. 6 zeros. And you actually change there. Can't see the blank. There we go. Look. Right, and this one. Well, looks consistent. Yes, 9 to 13, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And then finally, we can reduce this. Notice we're still on. Oh. Snap of one. Yeah. Okay, that's good. Now we can save it. Hopefully, like that. And it's saved. And there's my custom made relay. Hope you enjoyed that. Hope you might find it useful. I'll catch you later. Bye.